Outrage in Parliament this afternoon after the Speaker of the House, Marissa Dalrymple Philibert, said she would only entertain a divide in certain circumstances. According to the House Speaker, the rules of Parliament make it clear that a divide should only be recognized when there is uncertainty about a clear majority. But the opposition took issue with the Speaker's position. Vashon Brown reports.
The opposition called for a divide in the House of Representatives last evening as MPs voted on an order and a resolution relating to the Montego Bay Perimeter Road project. House Speaker Marissa Dalrymple Philibert sought to explain when the term divide should be used by parliamentarians.
Whenever a vote is to be taken, the standard response that the Speaker gets from the House is either an A or a nay. So that when you say those in favor, those against, whenever the term divide is used, it really denotes uncertainty in the mind of the Speaker as to what the majority position of the House is.
Opposition leader Mark Golding argued that in all his years in Parliament, he's never heard that interpretation of the use of the term divide. Mr. Golding read from the standing orders.
Any member may challenge the opinion of the chair by claiming a division. So if you say that the nays have it or you say the ayes have it, any member, even that one way over there in the corner or right around there, can say divide. And that triggers a proper counting of the matter.
And I do agree with you. The language is clear. It says, but any member may challenge the opinion of the chair. Now, if the opinion of the chair is that there is a preponderance of A's, what is the purpose of challenging the opinion of the chair? It was very clear to me yesterday that with the numbers you had there and the A's that came over there was nothing to challenge.
Still, the opposition leader would not back down.
The Prime Minister is saying that I want to capture the floor for the newspaper to carry it. Madam Speaker, what you have said here today, it's a very important matter affecting the procedures of Parliament. And you've articulated a position which is not in accordance with what I believe to be an established practice.
I have checked, and yes, it is a practice, but it is a wrong practice, and it is not in keeping with the standing orders.
Vashon Brown, TVJ News.